I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but here we go. So this is the project. It's a little Chinese go-kart, and I am taking the engine out because the piston rings are bad. So currently we have all the wiring ripped apart. I think it's ready right now for engine mounts to get ripped off, and I can pull the engine out completely. I just did the throttle right there. That thing. Got the wires right here. No, right here. These two. But yeah, everything else is unhooked. Got the gas tank right here. It's a very tight spot, but I'm working with it. But I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, we're in the back here. And so here's what happened. This is supposed to go right here. And then the other one is supposed to go on the other side. And whenever I unbolted it, it snapped off both of them. Fun. Alright, we got the engine torn out. It's inside the house, so I'll show you all in the house. Well, there's all the components. Yeah, she's empty now. It really wasn't too hard. It took like an hour max. I'm gonna leave all this stuff here because my organization is being disorganized. So that's how I work best, believe it or not. But I'm gonna show y'all the engine, and we're gonna tear it apart and look at the cylinder, piston, and everything. I'm saying it's piston rings, and I'm sure I could just get a big bore kit, and I probably will, like a cheap little eBay one, and have it running again in no time. Let's do this. Here's the engine right here. Don't mind the mess in the background. It's always a mess over here, but here it is. Yeah, we're about to tear into it. Here's the valve cover, and just those two right there that pops right off. And it's got two cams in there, surprisingly, and we'll take those off too. Let's start tearing down into it. So I got this engine cover off right here. Came from around this piece. And we're just gonna zip into it now. There's the valve cover. And then we got, oh, I guess it's a single cam. I thought it was a dual. It's not. Okay. Terrible idea. Don't do that. You gotta break it off. That's bad. That's really bad. Wow. That piston is toast. That is toasted bad. Wow. Holy cow. How did you get out? Okay. That is cooked. That is so absolutely unbelievably cooked. Wow. That is scored so bad. Oh yeah, it's all over my cylinder too. That's crazy. No wonder this thing was toast. Wow. Unbelievable. Yep. Engine failure right here, baby. Love dealing with it. Alright, so this is the whole thing taken apart. Here's the inside of that. You can see all the lines on it. Not only that, if you look at the piston itself, look at that, it's destroyed. You could even see it like cracking right here. I don't know if the camera's right there. You see it cracking. These are all, that's terrible. Wow. Yeah, no surprise that this thing wasn't working. We're definitely going big bore with it though, for sure. There's no way I'm not going big bore. But